You don't need an expensive camera or a fancy studio to start a successful YouTube channel in 2026. In fact, you don't even need to show your face. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I run this Faceless Tech channel, from writing scripts to generating AI voices and high-quality visuals. Let's break down the process step by step. Step 1 is the script. I use AI tools like ChatGPT to research trending topics and write engaging scripts. The key is to ask for a conversational tone, so it doesn't sound too robotic. Always double-check your facts to keep your tech content accurate. Since I don't use my own voice, I'll use ElevenLabs. It's the most realistic AI voice generator available right now. You just paste your script, pick a voice that fits your brand, and hit generate. It's that simple. To keep the viewers engaged, you need high-quality visuals. I use stock footage from sites like Pexels or Canva. I also record my own screen when I'm showing tutorials. This keeps the video dynamic and professional without ever showing on camera. Finally, I bring everything into CapCut. I add background music, transitions, and most importantly, auto captions. Subtitles are huge for global audiences because they keep people watching longer, and that's how I run this channel. If you want to start your own tech journey, just start today. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech secrets. See you in the next one.